How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to manually install an SSL certificate in cPanel for WordPress. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that we're going to do is we want to make sure that we're logged into both our WordPress account as an administrator as well as our cPanel account. So the idea here is we want to add the SSL certificate for that added layer of security to our WordPress account, or I should say the domain that's registered to our cPanel account. So to do so is quite simple. Once you guys have both of these open, what you would want to do is you want to navigate to cPanel and look for the option that says Browse Certificates. So normally, this would be shown on the cPanel application on the dashboard, or the easiest way is to actually just click on the magnifying glass and just search for Browse Certificates. Now, when you guys click on this, the SSL certificate will appear among the other options in the list. So from here, you want to click on that, and then you want to select the account from the Browse Account menu, or Browse Apache. So obviously from here, we're going to select our WordPress account or domain. So you want to make sure that the name servers match when we actually go to add it. So you want to select the desired certificate, which is SSL, and click on Use Certificate. And basically we're going to let cPanel work its magic and integrate the SSL certificate into the WordPress domain that we have registered to our cPanel account. And once you guys do that, it's done. Congratulations, you've successfully added an SSL certificate to your cPanel WordPress domain. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.